How to boost your internet speed and make Wi-Fi faster on your Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to make your Wi-Fi faster, here are few solutions that you can try. So first of all, press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab. Once this is done, you need to type in ncpa.cpl. Once you type this and hit the enter button, it will open the network connection. From here, you can view all the network connections you have. Right click on your Wi-Fi and go to its properties. Once you type on properties, give access. And then tap on the configure button which is given on the interface. Once you tap on it, you will land to another adapter properties. From here, tap on advanced. From the list of properties, go to fat channel intolerant. Make sure that its value is disabled. In the similar manner, you can also check for other properties and make the necessary changes, such as transmit power. Additionally, you can scroll up and change channel width for 2.4G and 5G as well. If it's auto, you can leave it as it is. The another property that you need to work in is roaming aggressiveness. Make sure that the value is selected to medium low or medium. As lower the roaming aggressiveness, more the strength is. So once you set on it, tap on OK and it will turn off the Wi-Fi connection and rejoin it on your device. So once you have rejoined, make sure to restart the device, and this way you have boosted your internet connections. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.